My goal with this video is to show you exactly how I've made up to $1,000 a day in profit using AI. And no, I did not run an AI automation agency business. I did not create any AI chatbots or resell ChatGPT's advice. Because if I'm honest with you, all of that is crap. If you want to learn from me step by step how I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit with my online business selling digital products, I've created a school community and program where I'm gonna teach you exactly that step by step. The link for it is in the description below. You'll be able to see exactly what's inside, client results, and more. So click the first link in the description below. AI saved me a lot of time in my business. However, I'll say this, it is overrated for 99% of people. Right now, AI is the new big thing. I will admit, AI is getting better and better and better every single day. For example, you can edit videos extremely fast if you simply use the AI. Like for example, it can filter every pauses in your videos and you just click on a button, you delete all the pauses in Premiere Pro, and boom, now you just have to rewatch the video, cut out certain sections, but that's pretty much it. And something else that AI does really well is to generate images and videos. I mean, some of them, they look almost real, which to some degree is troubling because of deepfakes. Like if anybody can just make an AI generated video of you doing something that you would not want to do, I'm sure you can see how that becomes a problem. And that's really going to be the next big challenge of social media platforms, really trying to filter out what's fake and what's real. So I've personally used AI a lot for a few things. To create content faster and better, for example, creating cartoon images with AI. I mean, it looks like a human made it. It's pretty insane. And all you have to do is to just tell the AI exactly what you want. Whereas back then, if you wanted to do the same thing, you would have needed to pay someone like people who know how to draw, graphic designers. It would have been very expensive. Again, nowadays you can just go into Flow or Whisk AI, use Nano, Banana Pro. I don't even remember the names of these AI because there's so many. And then you can just generate images or pictures. So that's one way I've used AI. Another thing that works pretty well too is also AI generated ads. For example, you can generate a meme with AI and that's basically the picture for your ad. I know that a lot of people don't want to build a personal brand necessarily, they want to stay anonymous on the internet, and so something that's really powerful with AI is that nowadays, with tools like 11 Labs, I tried it myself, the voices that you get are super realistic, like they sound actually human. And in fact, they're gonna sound better than 99% of people when they start making content. Now, my recommendation is always gonna be this. Be the face of the brand yourself. Start a personal brand, because if you do, everything that you touch will turn into gold. Whereas if you are just another faceless channel on the internet, it's not even your voice, etc., you can succeed, you can make a lot of money. I've seen plenty of channels who do it, but also you can just drown in a sea of AI slop. Like really, that is happening, and YouTube is deleting more and more AI channels as we're speaking right now. Now in the past, I used a lot of AI to make my YouTube scripts, but what I've noticed is I would just show up to the recording session and I didn't want to record videos. I didn't want to look at my teleprompter and just read the text that the AI made. It didn't sound like me, it didn't feel right, and the information was repetitive, it was kind of always the same thing, and whenever I'd, watch my videos back or edit them, I could always just sense that this AI shit wasn't great. Like when you're doing good work and when you're doing low quality work, what we call AI slop nowadays. And I'm gonna tell you, if you wanna have a YouTube channel to drive traffic to your paid products, which is what every smart entrepreneur is doing in 2026, if you just make the videos yourself, like you don't need to write everything word for word. Nowadays, I don't do it anymore. As you can see, for example, on my phone, I simply have detailed bullet points. I just sometimes pause and read them, and then I say what I want to say to the camera. Because if you make content on any topic, you should know what you want to say in the video. You should know what you want to talk about. Like at first, I'll be honest, when you're making your first dozen videos, even your first 100 videos, it's gonna be more difficult simply because recording content is a skill, just like anything else. Talking to a camera is a skill. I mean, you can check the first videos I posted on my channel. They were horrible. Looking back, I can't even watch them because I would cringe too hard. But that's good news, because that means I evolved, I got better, and so can you. English isn't even my first language, I'm French. Now I will say, AI can make you extremely rich if you're like really into it and you're really skilled at it. For example, Let's say you know how to build these AI automation things, etc., these AI chatbots. That can make you a lot of money because you solve a valuable problem for people or businesses. But I'm gonna be completely honest with you. For the average person, AI is just a gimmick. People think, oh, I need to do something AI related and I'll be rich. That's not the case for many reasons. First, if everybody is trying to do some AI automation thing or whatever the fuck, chatbots, I don't even know at this point to be honest. Guess what? Everybody is doing it. So you are not unique. It's gonna be very hard to differentiate yourself. And in that herd of all those fucking sheeps trying to do the same thing, there's gonna be people who are very skilled, very talented with AI stuff, and they love it. Guess what? These few people, they're gonna fuck everyone else. Like, there's no other way of saying it. To be great at something, you need to love it. And then when you're great at something, you print money from it, usually. The money is simply a natural byproduct of what you do, which is why I love what I do. I love the kind of work that I do. I just make content on topics I'm passionate about, and I sell my digital products to people who want my help. Like, I can't think of a more beautiful, fulfilling career than that, because you get to do what you love and you get to make as much money as you would ever dream of. Like, no other career in the world allows you to do something you love and make 6, 7+ figures a year while having complete geographical freedom. Like, I could move to any country I want. That is insane. Even people with like good established high-paying careers, they can't really do that. Like, you can be a lawyer, a doctor, anything, and they make 6 figures a year, you know, but like, if they don't like their jobs, well, that sucks, because they work a lot. And then they have no geographical freedom. They can't just decide to go and spend, I don't know, 3 months in Bali, and then 3 months in Paris, or wherever they want to go. They have to go at the office from 9 to 5. It's like you're still a slave, you just have golden handcuffs instead of like rope, I guess. If you want to learn from me step by step how I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit, with my online business selling digital products, I've created a school community and program where I'm gonna teach you exactly that step by step. The link for it is in the description below. You'll be able to see exactly what's inside, client results, and more. So click the first link in the description below. Now look, you need to stop with this AI bullshit content. When AI writes a script, even if you use Claude, it sounds AI. It's always using the same words. For example, it'll always say like, let me paint you a picture. Or it will say like, let me tell you about someone I know. His name is Marcus. People can smell this shit from a mile away. People know it's AI. And nowadays, you have to understand that information is more readily accessible than we've ever seen in the entire history of the world. That was the case a few years ago. I mean, ever since the internet was a thing, really. Ever since everybody uses Google pretty much. But nowadays, that's even more true because we've got tools like Gemini, like ChatGPT. There's even an AI directly inside of WhatsApp. I don't even know its name, I don't know what they call it because I don't use it, but there's an AI in pretty much every app nowadays. So people can just click on the icon, ask it a question, and the information is really good quality. Now it's not enough. Like, if you only use ChatGPT's advice to, I don't know, build a business, get in shape, etc., it only takes you so far. Like, the AI doesn't know everything. But my point is, the reason somebody's gonna watch your content as opposed to anyone else's, or even just going into ChatGPT and asking questions, is because they want human connection. They don't want another AI fucking slop to watch. They want a real person on the other side of the screen. Like the kind of content I love to watch, there's zero editing. It's super basic. It's just the person talking, like it's not fully scripted. They're just staring at the camera, talking as though they were, spending time with a friend. A lot of the time I like to just have a tea while I'm recording my videos because I'm talking to a friend, I'm talking to you. And that's what good content is, in my opinion. Because remember, we make content to get customers. Like, you don't make $1,000 a day just because you use ChatGPT. Otherwise, believe me, a lot more people will be wealthy. Like, so many people would be millionaires, that'd be insane. But you have to understand that most people watch educational videos. It's not even for the information. It's for the entertainment. It's because they want to feel inspired to take action. Because let's be honest, how many videos have you watched on any topic really? On how to get dates, on how to talk to women, on how to get jacked, on how to start a business. And you've probably heard the same advice over and over and over and over again. Yet you keep consuming more of this kind of content, yet you keep coming back to the same kind of influencers every single time. Why? Because you connect with them. Because you like their personality. You like how they look. You like how they speak. They are your virtual friends. So nowadays what people want more than ever is really just community, a sense of belonging in a group, of fitting in people who are like-minded. That's why the platform Score, by the way, is growing in popularity like crazy, because right now this is the best business model to start. To make content around something you love or something you have an interest in, and then you sell a paid product like a community with courses, with a map feature where people can literally make new friends. That's exactly what my product and community does for people who want to make money online. People who want to wake up every day, they do something they love for work. Ever since I was a kid, I saw my father hating his life, hating his job. And so at home, of course, everything just felt dull all the time. There was always a negative mood. And I promised myself when I was a kid, I would do better than that. I would not waste my whole life just doing something I hate and then hating everyone around me because I made the wrong choices. And nowadays, we have more opportunities than ever to make this happen. So your job when you make content is to show your personality. What do you stand for? What's your us versus them dynamic? For example, for me, we are people who are more ambitious than the average. We want to make money online. We want to have complete freedom, geographical freedom, financial freedom, the freedom to pick our schedule and do whatever we want. Only work a few hours a day if we want, because we choose to. That is when you reach the highest quality of life possible. And our enemies, it's basically the modern world, in the sense that it's society telling you have to get a job you don't like, you have to make 2K per month for the rest of your life. It's all the haters, it's taxes crushing you and stealing all your hard work from you. That system is our enemy. Because that system doesn't want you to be free, that system only wants to exploit you. So I hope that this is really a wake-up call for you. But I'm sorry, my friend, you are not gonna get rich posting some shitty AI slop on the internet. I know a lot of people have clicked off this video right from the start because they expected me to tell them like exactly how to build some kind of ebook or chatbot, and that's how they're gonna make $1,000 a day. Making $1,000 a day had very little to do with the AI, I'll be honest with you. I use the AI sometimes, like for example when editing, for example when generating images, etc. Or thinking. I love to ask ChatGPT some questions. I sometimes ask it to write templates of emails, etc. But that's what? 10% of everything I did, really. Yet all these little retards, they want to know exactly like, how do you make $1,000 a day with AI directly? It's not the AI. AI is a tool. It's like, imagine if I said, how I made $1,000 a day with a mouse. Like the mouse is just a tool I use to use my computer so I can make money. But it's not thanks to the mouse itself that I made $1,000 a day. If you want to learn from me step by step, how I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit with my online business selling digital products, I've created a school community and program where I'm gonna teach you exactly that step by step. The link for it is in the description below. You'll be able to see exactly what's inside, client results, and more. So click the first link in the description below.